Delta 219 Heavy, turn back to the right, heading 320, just sectors around VFR traffic.
All right, Delta 219 Heavy, heading 320.
Approach 100, field site.
00, Clivic approach 19, maintains 2000, so allows by the tower. Call them now, 118.8.
Switching now, 118.8.
Delta 219 Heavy, now the traffic's turning east out, east 10 o'clock and 3 miles, 2.7, type is unknown.
All right, Delta 219 Heavy, we have traffic in sight.
Okay, just maintain visual from him. I don't really know what he's doing. He was southeastbound for a little bit, that's why I turned you. Delta 219 Heavy, heading 250, join the final.
Okay, Delta 219 Heavy is a TCAS RA.
Okay. And when you're ready, you can make it 240 to join.
Okay, 240 to join the final.
The guy, it looks like the traffic finally sees you. It's descending.
Yeah, he was turning right toward us.
Yeah. And Delta 219 Heavy, you can turn left heading 200, you're 10 miles from Eddy, descend at 2000 till established, clear on out X-ray 22 left approach.
All right, Delta 219 Heavy, heading 200, 2,000 feet, we're slowing, and clear for the RNAV X-ray 22 left.
Thank you. Now, it looks like he was completely off your left and then he turned at the last second.
Oh well.
Delta 219 Heavy, towers 19-1, good day.
Delta 219 Heavy, 19-1, so long.